Here is my latest project with the Arduino. In this project I'm using a motor shield and a joystick module here to control two servos to act as kind of robotic arms that goes both in the y-axis and the x-axis, using an additional 9-volt power along with the 5 volts that are connected to the USB. Otherwise it doesn't work. The servos need quite a bit of power. Let's control. So if I move this up, yeah, I have both 180-degree control on each of these servos. The servo on top, the blue servo, is heavier than the little one on the bottom. That's why when I move the little one moves instead of the blue one, and the wires also interfere. It's pretty cool. I just have it on my mouse. There's nothing on my mouse pad. There's nothing attached. This little thing I got off Amazon for I think 18 bucks a while ago. I haven't really put it to use. I soldered on these stackable headers not too long ago. I can control 2 servos and 4 motors at the same time, along with a couple of steppers, which I have not used. This is part of my overall process. Here's part of the codes that I did. If anybody wants it, just let me know.